People trust bank auctions for the wrong reason. The allure of a great deal on a vehicle is powerful. Many car buyers, especially those on a budget, often turn their attention to bank auctions. These sales promise significant savings on repossessed cars, trucks, and SUVs. However, the world of bank auction vehicles is more complex than it first appears. Understanding the full picture is crucial before you place a bid. This guide will help you navigate these waters with confidence and clarity. Many first-time buyers and budget shoppers are drawn to bank auctions for a compelling reason. There's a common perception that vehicles sold by banks are inherently safer or more reliable. This belief often stems from the idea that banks are reputable institutions. Buyers might assume that a bank-owned car has a clear title and a straightforward history. They often believe that the vehicle has been maintained to some standard, simply because it was once financed by a financial institution. This perception creates a sense of security around these transactions. The thought of acquiring a vehicle at a price significantly below market value is also a major draw. This potential for savings can overshadow the need for thorough investigation. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a bargain. It's important to understand the fundamental role of a bank in these transactions. Banks are financial institutions, not automotive dealerships. Their core business is lending money and managing financial assets. When a vehicle is repossessed, it becomes a non-performing asset on the bank's books. The bank's primary objective is to recover the outstanding loan amount as quickly and efficiently as possible. This process is known as asset liquidation. Their goal is to minimize losses, not to prepare a vehicle for retail sale. This distinction is critical for any potential buyer to grasp. The bank is not interested in maximizing the vehicle's value through repairs or detailing. One of the most significant differences between a bank auction and a traditional car dealership is the lack of preparation. Banks typically do not inspect or repair the vehicles they repossess. They are simply liquidating an asset. This means that a bank auction vehicle is sold exactly as it was received. It could have mechanical issues, cosmetic damage, or even hidden problems that are not immediately apparent. The bank has no incentive to invest in its condition. They do not perform routine maintenance, address warning lights, or fix any existing defects. The vehicle's condition at the time of auction is precisely its condition when it was repossessed. This can lead to unexpected and costly surprises for the buyer. Every bank auction sale comes with a critical stipulation: as is, where is. This phrase is not merely legal jargon. It carries significant implications for the buyer. It means you are purchasing the vehicle in its current condition, with all its faults, known or unknown. There is no warranty, express or implied, from the bank. Once the hammer falls and the sale is complete, the responsibility for any issues immediately transfers to you. The bank will not entertain claims for repairs or defects discovered after the purchase. This as-is clause is a fundamental aspect of these sales. It protects the bank from future liabilities and underscores the buyer's responsibility for due diligence. Understanding this term is paramount before bidding. The lack of inspection and the as-is nature of these sales open the door to numerous risks. A vehicle might appear fine on the surface but harbor significant mechanical problems. These could range from engine or transmission issues to electrical faults. Beyond mechanical concerns, there can be other hidden costs. The vehicle might require extensive detailing, new tires, or even bodywork. These expenses can quickly erode any initial savings you thought you achieved at auction. Furthermore, there could be title issues or outstanding liens that complicate ownership transfer. While less common with bank repossessions, it's still a possibility that requires careful verification. Always factor in potential post-purchase expenses. Given these risks, thorough due diligence is not just recommended, it's absolutely essential. Never bid on a bank auction vehicle without conducting your own comprehensive checks. This proactive approach can save you significant money and headaches. Start with a vehicle identification number, or VIN, check. A reputable VIN report can reveal crucial information about the car's history. This includes accident records, previous ownership, odometer discrepancies, and service history. Next, arrange for an independent pre-purchase inspection by a qualified mechanic. This is arguably the most important step. A professional can identify potential mechanical issues, assess the vehicle's overall condition, and provide an estimate for necessary repairs. When considering a bank auction vehicle, always budget for potential repairs and maintenance. Assume that the vehicle will require some work, even if the inspection seems positive. This financial buffer is a smart strategy. Factor in the cost of the auction premium, taxes, registration fees, and transportation. These additional expenses can add up quickly and impact your overall budget. A realistic financial plan is key to a successful purchase. Remember that the initial purchase price is only one part of the total cost of ownership. Being prepared for unforeseen expenses will prevent buyer's remorse and ensure you get a truly good deal. A smart buyer approaches bank auctions with a clear understanding of the process and a healthy dose of caution. They recognize the potential for savings but also acknowledge the inherent risks. They prioritize verification over assumption. Never let the excitement of a low starting bid cloud your judgment. Take the time to research, inspect, and budget thoroughly. Your diligence before the auction can prevent costly surprises after the sale. Empower yourself with information. The more you know about the specific vehicle and the auction process, the better equipped you will be to make an informed decision. Knowledge is your best tool in this environment. In conclusion, while bank auction vehicles can offer attractive prices, they come with unique challenges. Banks are liquidating assets, not selling retail-ready cars. They do not inspect, repair, or warranty these vehicles. Every sale is as is, placing the full responsibility on the buyer. Therefore, it is absolutely critical to verify every aspect of the vehicle's condition and history before you place a bid. Do not rely on assumptions. For comprehensive vehicle history reports and expert advice on making informed car buying decisions, visit www.sacker.org. We provide the tools and information you need to buy with confidence. Verify before you bid and drive away with peace of mind.